American Express Business Green Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. If you run a business, choosing the right credit card can make a significant difference not just for rewards, but for cash flow, expense management, and even employee perks. The ** American Express Business Green Rewards Card ** has long been a popular option for small to medium-sized business owners. But in 2025, is it still worth signing up for, or should you leave it alone? Today, we'll break down this card in detail, covering rewards, fees, perks, and real-world examples to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. ** Reward structure ** The American Express Business Green Rewards Card earns * 2 points per dollar on eligible purchases at restaurants, gas stations, and travel ** and * 1 point per dollar on all other purchases *. This tiered rewards system is particularly strong for businesses with travel expenses, dining expenses for client meetings, and daily operational costs such as fueling company vehicles. For example, if your business spends $1,500 monthly on travel, $500 on dining, and $1,000 on other operational costs, you'd earn * 3,000 points on travel, 1,000 on dining, and 1,000 on other purchases *, totaling * 5,000 points per month *, or * 60,000 points annually *. Depending on how you redeem these points, this can translate to significant value for flights, hotel stays, or statement credits. One of the biggest draws of the Business Green Rewards Card is its * welcome bonus *. In 2025, the card typically offers * 20,000 to 30,000 bonus points after spending $3,000 within the first 3 months *. While this is lower than some premium business cards, it still provides a quick boost for your business account and can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. Many business owners underestimate the value of points earned during the initial spending period, but even a single business trip could potentially cover the entire bonus spend requirement. ** Annual fees and interest rates * are crucial factors. The American Express Business Green Rewards Card charges a * $0 introductory annual fee for the first year *, then a modest * $95 fee thereafter *. Compared to premium business cards that can charge $450 or more, this fee is relatively affordable, especially when paired with points accumulation and travel perks. However, the APR on purchases is variable, generally ranging from * 17% 25%, so carrying a balance could negate rewards value. Paying the balance in full each month ensures you maximize benefits without incurring interest charges. * Business travel perks * are where this card can shine for certain users. While it doesn't include luxury benefits like airport lounge access, it offers * expanded rewards on travel-related purchases *, which is valuable if your team frequently flies or books accommodations for client meetings. Additionally, points can be transferred to several airline and hotel partners, giving flexibility for your business travel redemption strategy. For example, if you frequently fly with Delta or American Airlines, converting points can reduce travel costs substantially over time. The card also includes practical * employee card management features *, a crucial consideration for small businesses. You can issue employee cards at no additional cost and monitor spending in real time. Limits can be set individually for each card, helping maintain control over expenses. Many businesses miss out on this benefit, but having a clear record of employee spending simplifies accounting and tax reporting, and can even help with budgeting for client entertainment or office operations. ** Additional benefits * include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and travel insurance. These protections cover a range of scenarios, from damage to office equipment purchased with the card to trip cancellations during business travel. For example, if your team purchases $2,000 worth of technology for remote work and an item is damaged within the first 90 days, you could receive coverage under purchase protection. This effectively reduces risk on essential business purchases and adds peace of mind. ** Expense tracking and reporting * is another area where the Business Green Rewards Card excels. Transactions are automatically categorized, allowing you to generate detailed monthly reports for accounting purposes. You can separate spending by employee, department, or project, which helps during tax season and improves internal budget analysis. Many business owners fail to consider how much time they save using this reporting feature, which can otherwise take hours if manually tracked. *** rewards redemption options ** are flexible. Points can be redeemed for ** travel, gift cards, statement credits, or merchandise ***. Many small business owners choose to redeem points for travel, offsetting the cost of flights and hotels for client meetings or employee retreats. Alternatively, using points for statement credits can directly reduce your business expenses, offering instant savings. Unlike some loyalty programs that have restrictive blackout dates, Amex points are typically easier to use with fewer limitations. A critical consideration for any business card is ** eligibility and approval ***. Applicants generally need ** good to excellent personal credit ***, usually the FICO score above 680. Amex will also review your business financials if your company is already established, but startup businesses can still qualify with a strong personal credit profile. Approval times are typically fast, and once approved, you can start using the card immediately, including for online purchases and employee cards. ** foreign transaction fees ** are worth noting. The Business Green Rewards card charges ** no foreign transaction fees ** making it ideal for businesses with international operations or frequent overseas travel. Saving 2%, 3% on foreign purchases can add up quickly for companies dealing with international vendors or clients, and it positions this card favorably compared to competitors with fees on foreign transactions. Now, let's consider ** real-world examples of the card's value ***. Imagine a small marketing agency with 5 employees, each spending $1,000 monthly on travel and client entertainment. That's $5,000 a month or $60,000 annually. Using the reward structure, $60,000 annual spend on travel/dining equals 2x points per dollar. 2 points per dollar on $60,000 equals 120,000 points. Add the welcome bonus of 30,000 points, and the agency earns ** 150,000 points ** in the first year alone. Redeemed strategically for flights and hotels. This could cover multiple domestic or international trips, significantly reducing business travel costs. Pair this with employee card management and expense tracking, and the card becomes more than a rewards tool, it's a business management asset. ***, comparing this card to competitors ** is also essential. Premium options like the American Express Business Platinum Card offer higher rewards rates and luxury perks like airport lounge access, but they come with hefty annual fees of $695 or more. For businesses looking for a balance between value and cost, the Business Green Rewards card provides strong rewards without the financial commitment of premium alternatives. Similarly, Chase Inc. Business Preferred or Capital One Spark Miles offer competitive points, but may lack the specific travel or employee management features that Amex provides. ***, pros ** of the American Express Business Green Rewards card in 2025: 2x points on travel, gas, and restaurants, 1x point on all other purchases.